Kevin here, Bent Rod Garage. Well, as you can see, been working on some of that there melting of the metal. Now, hasn't been going great, but hasn't been going bad. It's more just trying to figure out what the settings need to be on this welder for it to work in a manner that will work for this material. And that's why I'm doing this in the trunk, so I can practice in the trunk where it's not going to matter as much for when I get up there and do those floorboards. Let me show you. Got two sections right here. All this right here was trying to figure out these settings. I mean, you can see how bad it is over here. It's just all over the place. I don't like it, obviously. I've been playing with these settings, trying to get it right. As you can see, this little section right here, a lot better. Also, that one right there, and that one right there. It's puddling up better and be staying on the top. So I'm going to probably clean this up more and just try to redo a line across there. I'm also, spot welded the whole thing in all the way around. So just going to be a matter of cleaning it up, getting some seam sealer down, and putting some primer down on top of it. Hit top of these welds a little bit just to clean it up. But that is where we are. I'm going to take care of this first. It is what it is. It's a thinner material than the trunk by a little bit. Not worried about that. It's just going to seal it up. It's going to give me some rigidity over here so that when I get over here to cutting all that stuff out that's under there, and I'm going to put this thicker gauge stuff over there above that shackle and on the other side. But practice, man, practice. This practice right here is so that I can get those floorboards up front. That's the main reason. So I'm happy with where we're headed, and I think this will work. Okay, as you can see, some dirt. Get out of there, dirt. I cleaned up the welds. I went around and ground everything, and man, I am extremely happy with how that has come out. There's a little warpage right here. We're gonna get seam sealer across here. I got to primer it first, so I got to do some cleaning up. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and take care of this hole real quick and get that taken care of. So, okay, here we are patching up again. All this right here was right here. So I cut it out. I was looking at using this thicker gauge material, but I can't really shape it the way that I'd want to shape it. It's not as it's thicker than this, not by a whole hell of a lot, but this is like 22 gauge. This, I believe, is 16th inch, or pretty dang close. This is 20 gauge. Now, I welded it in, I cut it out. I actually used this one as a template, and I made another template in a piece of block of wood and kind of formed this stuff up. Look, I mean, it's not perfect. I'm not meaning it to be perfect, but you can't tell me that this, and especially, isn't better than this. You can't tell me that. I mean, you can, but you're lying to yourself. You're not lying to me. I'd rather have that. So, and it's still got some dents and whatnot, but, it's a patch job. I'm not trying to be perfect with it. It's the trunk. This is practice work for me here in a little bit. So I can get in here and straighten it up more if I need to and beat it more and whatnot, but clearance issues underneath with the leaf spring and everything else under there to get to the bottom side to really kind of bang out this thing the way it needs to be done. I don't care. I don't care. So I care enough to do this. And again, I'm happy with how that came out. I mean, I've shaped it, welded it together, and, it's strong. It's strong. It goes right along with this. Really does. So I'm happy with it. We're gonna continue with that. So next, Next. Look, it's just always more. Next. Ah. Next is this. This is next. The thing is with this is this is where the filler neck for the gas tank goes. It's humped. So I got to figure out how much of what am I going to do here. Just maybe a couple small something or others there. Tack that back together. Go for clearance that way. And then that's pretty thin. And I mean, I could cut and patch that too. No, why not? Seems like I'm in here doing it. It helped the car some. So that's what we got. That there. This here. This all over here. Get out of the way. This all over here. All right. What do you think? Yay? Nay? Do it differently? Got it. I've never done this before, so this is the first go for me as far as patching, welding in patch panels. I think this came out better than that, but you know, again, it's a trunk of a 4-door that's going to be driven, not a show car. So, you know, I got to say, it has been some time. Obviously, I've been working on the car, doing what needs to be done. Only calls for me to mark off some stuff on my list. So I've done this here. Here we are. You know, I didn't do any of this. None of this was done when I last marked off. So I should be given the liberty to mark off a few of here. Okay. Spare tire. Let's see, spare tire, what was that called again? Huh? We'll just call it spare tire housing removed. Patch panel built. Okay. Patch panel welded in. That was a different day. All right. Okay. Hole cut out. That was another day. Okay. Patch panel welded in. That was another day. I mean, that's my time frame. That's what I got. I think that qualifies. Oh goodness, that's wrong. You know, good old Mark's lot. It's old, but list is coming along. List is coming along. So, you know, what do you think? I mean, for a daily driven, or what's going to be a daily driven, or not a show car, we'll just call it not a show car, 57 4-door, needing some patchwork in the trunk. Yay? Good enough? Make it happen? You know, we'll give it the old squirt here in a minute. I'll do those other parts first, and then I'll clean it and paint it. Not gonna need much, but does this work? You tell me. Type it down below. Might as well hit the like and subscribe button while you're down there. I greatly appreciate it. We'll talk to you next time. Once again, it's Kevin, Bin Rod Garage. See ya.